Here are 10 interesting facts about Mukesh Ambani. Early life. Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957, in Yemen to Dhirubhai Ambani and Kokilaben Ambani. He is the eldest son of the Ambani family. Education. He holds a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from the Institute of Chemical Technology, formerly known as UDCT, Mumbai, and later pursued an MBA from Stanford University, USA. Chairman of Reliance Industries. Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, a conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, oil, telecommunications, and retail. Wealth. As of 2022, Mukesh Ambani is one of the wealthiest individuals globally, with a net worth fluctuating around tens of billions of dollars, making him a prominent figure in the business world. Reliance Jio. Under his leadership, Reliance Jio Infocomm Limited, Jio, was launched in 2016, revolutionizing the telecommunications industry in India with affordable data plans and high-speed internet access. Antilia. Mukesh Ambani resides in Antilia, a 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai, India, which is one of the most expensive private residences globally, valued at billions of dollars. Philanthropy. He is involved in various philanthropic activities through the Reliance Foundation, focusing on education, healthcare, rural development, and disaster response initiatives. Sports. Ambani has a keen interest in sports and owns the Indian Premier League, IPL, cricket team Mumbai Indians, which has achieved significant success in the league. Business ventures. Apart from Reliance Industries, Mukesh Ambani has investments in sectors such as media, entertainment, technology, and renewable energy, diversifying his business portfolio. Recognition. He has received numerous awards and honors for his contributions to business and society, including being listed among Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential people globally.